Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The average cost of repairing a dryer is around $100 to $400, which will generally cover most drum issues, such as a broken belt, a faulty thermostat, or clogged vents. If you're unsure whether or not a repair is worth it, refer to the 50% rule.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The general rule of thumb for any appliance is that if repair costs are more than half of the replacement cost, it's time to buy a new appliance. You can get a basic dryer for about $300, but it's not Energy Star rated, so utility savings are minimal. In this scenario, it's a toss-up on whether to repair or replace. 19 April 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here's the first thing to know about dryer repair. You can solve most dryer troubles yourself. There's no need to find a technician, schedule a service call, or pay hundreds of dollars for dryer repair. Tip: the first step in any appliance repair is to make sure it's getting electricity.
Let's help you make your mark.
If a dryer is relatively new, 5 years or less, having it repaired can extend its life that much longer and save money in the long run. It can be worth spending $150 to $200 to repair a mid-range or high-end dryer that's less than 3 years old, for example. 27 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.